Nestled in the beautiful natural environment of the Detonli El Diablo Nature Reserve, La Bastilla Ecolodge is a hidden gem in the mountains of northern Nicaragua. At the Ecolodge, visitors can enjoy the fresh climate, the exuberant natural cloud forest, and spectacular panoramic views of the valley and nature reserve. Bastilla, along with the students of the agricultural school, have launched an eco-lodge with all the necessary conditions for visitors and tourists to observe and participate in this agricultural production model. Here, tourists from abroad and from Nicaragua can enjoy the spectacular views, birds and wildlife, rivers and cloud forest, and the rich smell of coffee produced at the La Bastilla Estate. Come and enjoy a guided tour of the coffee estate, or hike through forest trails and discover the wildlife of the area. Also organize your meetings, workshops, retreats, academic excursions, family trips or vacations, and really get in touch with nature.